In this video, we will take up the homework on the discriminant. So for question 1, it's true and false. It's pretty obvious 1A, B, C are all false, and I gave you my reasoning. Now 1D is a big misconception. 1D, it's false, because a lot of students will say it's true, but 1D is definitely false. For a quadratic equation, you cannot have one real root. A quadratic equation will always have two roots. So it's either two real roots or two complex roots. Now, if the discriminant is 0, you have two real roots, but the relationship between those two real roots is the fact that they are identical. For question 2, it's pretty straightforward. They give you the discriminant. Just 2f, you have to do some extra work. Now for 3, you see a graph that has one x-intercept, so you're basically working with the discriminant is 0, and there's only one unique real root. For question 4, use a discriminant and you can determine whether you have one unique real root, no unique real roots, or two unique real roots. Question 5, it's a little weird how they put that question there, but they basically want you to solve for the equations by factoring. I mean, it's great practice, but it really doesn't have to do much with the discriminant. Now, it would have been nice if some of them had discriminants which are negative, which you cannot factor, but none of them were like that. For question 6, they wanted us to find the x-intercepts. 6b was the only interesting question because that one, the discriminant was negative, so you don't have any x-intercepts. Anyways, that's the solutions for the discriminant homework sheet. In the next lesson, we'll finally do the word problems.